going to do it the old-fashioned style, just lipping it in underneath the rim there, sticking it to the tyre, just go all the way around the wheel. I know there's simpler ways with bags and playing cards, etc., but this is going to work for us. It's going to be quick, easy, shouldn't take much time. Just overlapping. Obviously it's a straight piece, so just feed that in, round the rim, flat it out. Just keep doing that in sections until we go all the way around, just to expose the outer rim.